So Google Classroom will allow you to export any grades that you have in your classroom onto a Google Sheet or a CSV file. And you can do that for individual assignments, or you can do that once a month or once a week for all the assignments that you've graded so far. So in order to get to that option, you're going to go into any assignment that you've graded. And you're going to click on this gear, and then you'll see copy all grades to Google Sheets. And so this is going to include all the grades, not just the grades for this assignment. So we're going to click copy all grades to Google Sheets. And it's important to remember as this is loading that once you've exported them to a Google Sheet, it will not update automatically. So if you grade more assignments, you're going to have to go back and export those grades separately. So this is just like a snapshot of what's in there now. And it actually will give you the student's average as it stands right now with these assignments. You see all the assignment titles up there and the scores there, and all the students would be listed on the side here. And so you can use this to enter these grades into your gradebook. Some gradebook programs will allow you to upload a spreadsheet into the gradebook. I know PowerSchool allows that. So that can kind of streamline things a little bit between Google Classroom and your gradebook, whichever one your school happens to use.